So friends, just as you take care of your face, you should also take care of your hands and feet. Nowadays, because of dust and pollution, dirt starts to accumulate on our feet, making them look dark within just 2 to 3 days. This causes stubborn dark layers to form on the skin, which are not easy to remove, and due to the harsh sunlight, our feet often get tanned. But today, I'm going to share with you a very simple and effective home remedy that you can easily make at home. If you use it just 2 to 3 times, the dirt and tan on your feet will disappear as if they were never there. So, let's see what ingredients we'll need. The first thing we'll take is tomato. Cut 1 tomato in half and extract its juice into a clean bowl. Tomatoes have natural bleaching properties that help make your skin fairer and cleaner in no time. Next, we'll take lemon juice. Lemon is great for removing dirt and suntan from your skin and works very quickly to restore your natural tone. Now mix these 2 ingredients very well. After that, we'll add a small amount of baking soda. You may have seen this in many home remedies, but let me tell you one thing clearly: never use baking soda on your face. However, you can safely use it on your hands, feet, or neck where the skin has become darker. Now our remedy is completely ready. Let's see how to use it. Apply this mixture on your feet and gently massage it in circular motions. You can also apply it on your knees, elbows, or neck, basically anywhere the skin has turned dark. It's very effective and super easy to use. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes, then wash it off. Use it every day for 3 to 4 days continuously, and after that, once a week is enough. You'll notice your skin becoming visibly fairer and cleaner. So friends, this was a small beauty tip for you. I hope you liked it. If you did, please don't forget to like the video, share your thoughts in the comments, and if you have any questions, ask them below. I'll try to reply as soon as possible. Take care of yourself and stay healthy.